So, we made it to Breck. It is coming down outside. I'm super excited because I haven't snowboarded a POW day in a very long time. She's not as excited because she's feeling a little heavy from the Benadryl she took last night to get some sleep. And also, just she's kind of sick, so.
It's like, what's falling on my face?
Oh. Oh, I love snow, I love snow, I love snow. Yeah. So here's to hopefully a good day on the mountain. Our last full day here in the mountains. All right, time to get ready and go. I am so excited and she hates me right now.
I'm scared.
It's gonna be just fine. There's not gonna be a clear clip this entire day. The lens is always gonna have some kind of snow. Oh my God. No, I don't ever want to live in a cold climate like this. It took me like 10 minutes to get all the snow off the windows and scrape all the ice and stuff.
And mind you, it's 26 degrees outside.
Yeah, it's cold.
Never got above 30.
I took my gloves off and then I started brushing and then got all sorts of snow in my glove. It was a good day.
Very good day.
3:45. We got on the mountain about 9:30, a little bit earlier than usual, so not too bad that we're down early. But we're gonna go back to the hotel now. D jacket and D warm clothes, D puffy clothes. Jump in the hot tub for a second, relax, figure out where we're gonna go to dinner. Fiance wants pho.
Fiance gets pho.
So fiance gets pho. Yes.
Car keys?
Yes.
Had dinner at for Bay 2. Where
Zai.
I guess we're a little spoiled in the Bay Area with Vietnamese restaurants.
A lot of good Asian food of all types in the Bay Area.
Where in the Bay Area, you're in and out of a Vietnamese, or there's a pho spot in
like
half an hour.
Like you sit down and they're hounding you to order because there's only really like 3 choices. If
right.
you really think about it.
And they gotta turn those tables around quick for more money.
And all it is, they have a huge pot of the broth in the back, and then they put in whatever you want, and it's out in 5 minutes. Less than that usually. You eat it, takes 15 minutes. You pay, takes 5 to 10 minutes.
And you out.
And you're done. You're gone.
And in this place, it took us 45 minutes just to get a bowl of soup.
We ordered egg rolls and spring
shrimp
rolls, and they only brought the egg rolls. Whatever.
Whatever. Time to have a drink.
Frisco, Colorado is not a place to go on a Saturday night. There were probably 10 people total on the street at 10 p.m.
And it was 14 degrees outside.
So we weren't about to walk around to find another bar. We drove up and down the street and didn't see anything. Yeah, I feel like Frisco is exactly what we used it for. So we stayed in Frisco because it's a very central point from Vail, Breckenridge, and Keystone. For that, it has been excellent.
30 minutes to Vail.
Vail was 30, Breck was about 25, but that was just because it was snowing.
Keystone's 20.
It's great for that, but apparently not for nightlife.
So we're gonna party, make our own drinks, watch the Olympics.
Our grandparent party.
Our grandparent party, yep. This is how 30-year-olds party.
Yeah. It's all down here from here, though. That's our extremely exciting night that we have
Saturday
planned.
night, woo!
Watching figure skating. Yeah, get it. Get it.
Good night.
Good night. And as always,
It's us against the world.
bye-bye.